right, before we talk about this Ready Lift, we are giving away $3,333 for you to spend in whatever way you choose. If we can get our hands on it, you can spend that earnings on it. All you got to do is click the link in the bio or in the description below and enter your email or whatever. We don't spam you with emails. If you have an iPhone, you do have to turn on or turn off, like you have to go to the settings to allow for cookies to track, so it checks that you actually followed us on or like went to TikTok or whatever for entries. It is a little tricky, but it's worth, I mean, it literally takes like 5 minutes for $3,333. This beautiful mega cab. You get wheels and tires for your mega cab. You get wheels and tires for your Camaro. We could lower your Camaro. We could lift your Corolla. Like whatever you I don't know. You like, it's literally endless. The last guy got wheels and tires for his Durango. Looks sick. That video is coming out next. Just go enter. It's literally that easy. All right, we're in the 2017 F250. This is the 6.2 gas motor rather than the 6.7 Power Stroke. Obviously, most people's preferred option is the 6.7, which to my knowledge, which is not that vast, believe it or not, weighs a little bit more. The reason I bring that up is because this kit rides surprisingly well for running just under $2,000 MSRP with the 6.2 gas motor, which I'm assuming is lighter, like I said. When I got in this truck, knowing that it was a leaf spring block in the rear and a big radius arm drop down kit. Not that there's anything wrong with radius drops, but an 8-inch is pretty gnarly, pretty significant, and a block in the rear. It does replace the shocks and the struts to Ready Lift's SST 3000s, I believe. I don't remember the model number, but I do know the shocks are replaced. I'm really impressed with this kit. It rides great. It comes with a steering stabilizer, which is a big deal. It really helps you feel like you're not about to wobble to death. I'm gonna go around this 18-wheeler real quick, get the 6.2 working just a tiny bit. This truck looks great, looks amazing. This size lift is like that perfect amount of like, not just a Texas size truck anymore, like this is a big truck. The bottom of the door, or the window sills on the doors, is over the top of a Prius. That is confirmed. I checked it just a minute ago on camera, on filming attempt number 2, when I was having technical difficulties for the second time. But yeah, great kit, rides really, really nice. It adds leaf to the leaf pack in the rear. Overall, just quite impressive setup for the cost. If you're looking to get your F250 up in the sky for pretty affordable, I would have a hard time not recommending this kit. That's what I said. That's what it does. Ready Lift 8-inch for the F250.
And we're live at Cowboys Customs.
Those Rebels are nice.
Yeah.
What up, Miguel? That's the nicest he's ever been to me on camera. What are we working with over here?
Huh?
What are we working with over here?
I'm cutting this off because every time I have to take the trash out, it gets stuck on there and it rips the shirt. I mean the shirt. The bag.
Gosh. Oh.
Just, venga. Ah, chinga, ¿de dónde la agarraste? Ah, I find it in the store.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so
You might be the most patient individual
Oh,
I've ever
man.
seen in my life.
I done learned what his kids' names are, his aunt's
How many-
names, how many cars he had. Now he's doing a burnout.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Goodness.
How many classics did he try to sell you?
13. 13.
How many of those do you think he actually has a title to?
I don't know. I have no idea.
That's interesting.
Let him out the box, huh?
Yeah, we're pulling out the striker kit. Oh, what
About
else?
time.
Tomorrow or the next day, and I'll put the other coil. And if it rides different, there's no, you'll have to, there's no switching.